It's real. It's really real. Today, I am giving you my completely transparent 3-year gray hair journey. Yep, I've been gray for 3 years from being a dark brunette, and what a journey it has been. At 60 years old, there have been a lot of struggles, but I will tell you, if you watch this video all the way until the end, if you are gray, going gray, thinking of going gray, not sure if you love your gray, by the end of this video, you're going to understand what it's like to be gray, to go back to the salon and get color blocking done, and then with the struggles of that, and the real truth behind gray hair as you age. Let's get into this video. When we look at social media and we're watching all these gray hair videos, there is one thing that remains true. The people that you see on video that talk about how amazing their gray is, they're doing either a semi-permanent, a demi-permanent, or they're back in the salon doing a toning, or they're putting something over their gray to make it look spectacular. I'm taking my hair down for you because I want you to see my struggle. It's real. It's really real. This is my gray hair. And as you can see, there is a lot of stuff to talk about. So backstory, I went to the salon in October of 2025 and I had color block done. That's where they go into your hair underneath and they put stripes of dark color or colors in blocks, in little strips. They did a level 2 on me and they did it mostly in the back of my hair. So in the back of my hair, I had level 2 black. And at the time I was going to a wedding, I needed that contrast, I felt like, and it gave me what I needed at that time. But the issue was it cost $450. And to maintain it, I would have had to have gone back into the salon every 6 to 8 weeks because the color block grows out just like your regular color. This is what we're working with. If you can see, the color block ends right here. Here on is where the strip they actually colored in level 2. Now it's growing out, and here's what remains. The part that remains is the part that is the struggle. The hair that comes out of your head is what it is, but depending upon how I style my hair, if I pull my hair completely all the way back, I look almost completely white. If I put my hair over on this side, you can see the color block and you can see that brassiness. It doesn't matter if I'm using black shampoos. It doesn't matter if I'm using purple shampoos. It doesn't matter if I'm using glosses. I struggle with the grow out. I regret going into the salon and getting color block. I wish I had just colored my hair one color and been done with it. Which leads me into a couple of points I want to make. When you're going gray, you are trading your salon color and that maintenance for another set of maintenance. And it is a completely different maintenance. You're combating the yellow, the brassy tones. I've done playlists on my gray hair. I'll link it right here for you. I've had to buy water filters and detox shampoos and purple shampoos. I've tried black shampoos. I have spent countless hours researching on how to make my hair look cooler, brighter. Now that I am gray, outside of the color block disaster, I gotta keep this cool toned. If I don't keep this cool toned, I look, with my olive complexion, makes me look sickly, almost jaundice. Which leads me into my other point. Your complexion, your clothes that once made you look a certain way and made you feel a certain way. When you go gray or you got white hair, silver hair, a true gray, you're fighting and combating that yellow and those silver tones all the time, all the time. I struggled with my makeup, which I now have a handle on. I don't have any on today because I wanted to show you my bare skin. And I've had to go out and repurchase brighter, cooler toned clothes. That has been a real big adjustment and a lot of expense out of my own wallet. Would I have been better off just dyeing my hair and being done with it? I still have those old clothes, by the way, so I could always go back. If you want to go gray, I did it by growing my hair longer. I actually enjoy wearing headbands and clips and barrettes and pulling my hair half up and wearing it in ponytails. So I grew my hair longer so that I could wear higher ponytails and buns. And the reason I did that, the eye goes up. It goes right up to the tippy top of my bun, and I love that. I love that. I actually prefer my hair up with gray hair than I do down. When your hair is gray, there are days that you're just not feeling your best, which leads me into the future. I do work remotely at home. Sometimes think there could be a time when I have to go back into the corporate world. Am I ready to go back into the corporate world as a gray-haired woman at the age of 60? That doesn't sit right with me. I got to process that a little bit longer. I don't know how I feel about that. I do know that I feel my best when my hair was darker, and that all the time and money I've spent on trying to keep my silver, I could have just been a brunette. When you go gray, your hair is natural. It is porous. It is out there for the elements to destroy. And baby, you better be protecting it with UV protection. And I do have a video on that as well, I'll put here. I want to hear from you in the comments, because as a silver sister, when I started this community, I have had so many of you comment, what do you want for you? I'm here to help you. I want to hear from you in the comments section. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do. We are here together in this community, building a community of women, like-minded women, that are in this journey of going gray. But don't give in to the social media gurus that go, oh, I just love, love, love. Look at how beautiful. They're not telling the truth. And for those with the tips about buzz cutting your hair or doing a wig, it's not realistic. If you want to go gray, you have more flexibility with your hair the longer it is. I love all of you. I will be here in the comments for it, and I can't wait to hear what you have to say. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.